Let's see how we save rainwater and use it for different purposes. So this is the place. This is a roof actually. This is our home house roof. And there is a sloped slab, and also there is some place around in a flat roof. And this is where the rainwater gets collected. At this is point number 1. And this is point number 2, just behind the home. This is on the western side, and home is facing eastern side. And this is another point. There are 2 points where the rainwater gets collected. And see this pipeline. So it is attached to the slab below that gully trap. And so you can see this pipeline running above this parapet wall and leading into the forest, leading into my garden. And there is one more point. See, I have shown you in the above this thing. There is a second point. Also the pipeline is laid here, and it's been jointed here. And from here we can see there is one pipe is coming from the above overhead tank. So whenever the overhead tank gets filled, the overflow water also will join here in this pipe, and you can see this pipe running into 2 huge tanks. Each tank is about 5,000 liters capacity. And this is my actual garden, and that's where in the small bench sort of thing we arranged just to sit and relax here. So you can see these are the trees. They're thick populated trees actually. This is very huge trees. So recently we have cleaned this, and because of these huge green trees we are unable to grow the other trees. Now you can see this a small pipe running here. So flexible pipe, and it is feeding water to these plants. And also the pipeline, there is another pipeline you can see below. There is one UPVC pipeline going to the down. You can see this pipeline coming from that small pipeline this is, and it is attached to the wall. And this pipeline is you can see this pipeline. So this is bringing water from those tanks. So you can see this the water also. See, this lot of water is coming. So this is rainwater collected in those tanks, and this is principally used for cleaning all this floor. In the morning times and evening times they clean this floor around, and also will feed water to all these plants from the rainwater in rainy season. The other time we'll just pump the water into that overhead tank. From the overhead tank, it is whatever the overflow is there again goes back into those 2 tanks, 2 5,000 liters tanks. And the water is not wasted at all. Here we can also construct a pit actually to recharge the bores. But since we live beside the river, we don't have to do that basically, because the water is always available in the bore. So we don't have to recharge the bores with any pit and all these things. So what we use we collect it into a surface tanks, and from the tanks we use for all the different purposes except for drinking and cooking. So this is how we conserve water. So same thing I request all of the viewers to do something about collection of rainwater and all this. In Bangalore and all, mostly see this there is no river in Bangalore. There is no proper water system in Bangalore. So every household is having a rainwater collection tank and treatment process to reuse it. They even reuse the toilet water by treating it. So that that position is coming because of a lot of concentration in one place. Population is concentrated in cities. So there you have to conserve every drop of water there. Even here, actually here we don't have that problem, but still being feeling responsible, we have adopted all these things. We spent almost around 1 lakh rupees on this thing. So we are going to expand the tankers also in future. So maybe now we have 10,000 liters capacity, and later on we can we'll increase it to up to 20,000-30,000 liters also. So that we can have enough water anytime around the year. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.